Previously on the Landcruiser build.
Now, real fancy, this one. So, as you can see, the air conditioning controls.
Here. Oh, hang on.
Rightio, that was, we're going to start fitting all the aircon unit and everything back under the dash. And so, we'll go ahead, wash everything up, and then we'll start putting this jigsaw puzzle back together. Righto guys, all the air conditioning stuff is washed. Now I'm basically just going to start piece by piece. So like I said, I've got no idea how it goes, but anyway. I just pulled that rubber flap out because that's what was stopping air coming through basically. So now I believe this should go up here somewhere, something like that. I don't know how this goes bloody piece by piece or not, so at the moment I'm just sitting it there, and then I'm guessing, I don't even know if that wiring's right. Let's have a look. That looks like that. Should go just there. I took a photo of the one that got that out of. So yeah, that one plugs in. I'll leave that other one unplugged just until I keep putting the piece by piece in, just so I know if I'm doing something wrong. Yup. Okay, next piecey thing. Looks like this thing. Oh yeah, I see where this one goes. That basically goes up in there. But I've also got to get it through all these holes at the same time. I'll just clean a couple things up and I'll get back to you on this one. Rightio. I had to, don't tell you, I'll follow, but I borrowed some hose clamps and that off some stuff he's got lying around, and some heater hose. So, I'm going to try and put this piece on next. I don't actually know if this piece goes on next, but we'll try. I bet you I got to do it the opposite way around. Oh no. Oh, I see. Ready? But yeah, this piece goes in first. That goes up there on the studs, and then that there's probably meant to bolt up over there somewhere. Okay, I need some bolts. Remember when I found that fuse a while ago? You know what it's got in it? Conveniently, heaps of bolts. You watch, I'll need all them later. All that looks pretty well right. Dang it, I got the cable in the wrong spot. Oh there, it's actually starting to come together and not look too bad. Put this bracket back on. Ready? Nice. Add brake. God damn. I left the GoPro on again. Rightio. So, currently fitting the cables and the aircon control unit. So, just making sure all the little flaps work. So, I shut that one. Shuts a different flap. Look at that. It's almost finished, really. Almost. So we're just going to put one more cable on. I'm not filming a lot of this because I basically sit here for an hour just trying to work out how everything goes, and then sort of put it together, test it, and I'm like, yep, that should work. So yeah, I've got one more cable to put on, and then I believe a couple more air vents, and then the dash will go in. So we should see, remember it's still day 3, the dash should be going in this afternoon. Fingers crossed. Let's get into it. Rightio. That is what the dash currently looks like now. So there's a few of these wires that kind of seem a bit short, not quite sure what to go with that is, but that's what we've got so far. So now the step is to put this bad boy in. That's our other dash. That's our dash that come out of it. So we're basically going to try and get the dash in. Hopefully it goes in nice and easy. We'll see how we go. Well, this is harder than I thought it was going to be. Well, there's one bolt started. Oh, the GoPro battery went flat. So next update. Okay, the dash is half in. Now the problem I've got, as I was saying, this bad boy was bent in freight and we've like cleaned it up and we're trying to get it straight. So the holes don't line up across the top of the dash. Got the aircon controls in. That sun is in a terrible spot. But basically, none of the top holes line up on the dash. So I just got to struggle now and get them lined up. Well, it's less than ideal. Anyway, keep on keeping on. The end of the day update. So day 3, and I'm calling it done for the day. This is what we achieved. The dashboard is back in. Now, last piece of air conditioning pipe to go on will be this one. Just got to extend 2 little wires under the dash to reach a plug over here. And yeah, that's what it looks like. We've got our aircon controls. Everything works like it should. Everything crosses over. All the dash, everything lined up finally. That piece will go back in there once we put the new stereo in. But yeah, we'll just slowly keep piecing this piece by piece and get it done.
Yeah.
Welcome back to day 4. We had a break yesterday from working on this heap of junk, and we also stopped in at the wrecker. Now at the wrecker we had to get a couple things. Now one was the preheat timer. Okay, so all the wiring got melted in our vehicle and melted the glow plug timer wiring. Now the timer that the wrecker gave me before was the actual wrong timer, and you cannot buy one from Toyota, but this is the correct timer out of a BJ73 series. And he also gave me a new second-hand glow plug relay that is also out of a BJ73 series. So that is right, that is right. I still need a new starter relay. We also got air conditioner vents. He made me buy the whole piece. He wouldn't sell me just the vents, but we got the whole lot pretty cheap. So shout out to Briz Auto 4x4 wreckers. I do like it because you can just walk in there. I say I need this. It gives you a screwdriver or a spanner. You go get it yourself. 50 bucks cash. Done. Take what you need basically. So yeah, good shout out to that bloke. But yeah, so first job, we can plug our preheat timer in, bolt him up under the dash. We need to put our dash pad on, do our dash cluster, stereo, pretty much get the whole dash and the pipe sorted, extend this wire here, and bang. But this video is probably already going to be long enough, so we need to get cracking. So let's just smash some out today. Penny thread's a good thread. Look at that, everything lights up. Perfect. The end of day 4 update. Look at that. Looks factory now, hey babe?
Yeah, doll.
What do you reckon?
Woo!
Let's go test out the heater.
We don't even know if it drives yet.
That drives? It's good to go. Let's go. Next step of the process. I just fitted the dash cluster, and now basically I need to connect the batteries up, and what happened last time is obviously it almost caught fire. Yeah, we'll go ahead and connect these batteries up, and then we're going to turn the ignition on and we'll see what happens.
And the wing nut's gone. Kade threw it somewhere.
I panicked last time and threw the wing nut, so now I've got a proper nut, so it catches on fire, so it's going to take a bit more undoing. I've got fuses in everything this time.
Oh, that's good.
I didn't have a fuse last time. Ready? Listen to this. I haven't even put the fuses in, so.
oh.
Look at that. We've got
Whee!
vents, baby.
We got aircon. Well, there's nothing blowing out of there.
That's because the vent's not on. Oh no, I'll try and start him up and just see what it's going to do. It's going to run real rough here. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Runs, baby!
Yeah!
Half-time update. So, I had to pull the dash cluster and everything back out because I actually had to run the speaker wire. But, look at that. We've got the aircon controls, the stereo in there. And so I just got to cable tie up some wires and then put all that back together and...
Bob's your dad's brother.
If you go above like 30, that's when it was like...
There you go, look at us, we've entered the 20th century!